How to AirPlay on Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, once you are here on this main home screen, what you can do is go ahead and select Settings, and from here select All Settings. From here, go to Connections. From here, swipe down below and you'll see Apple AirPlay settings. Select it. Now, over here, make sure that the option of AirPlay is turned on. Now, on your Apple device, scroll down to your control panel and you'll see Screen Mirroring option. Turn on. Now, over here, you'll see your TV device name. Simply select it. And on your TV, you can see that your phone will start being AirPlayed on your Samsung Smart TV. So, in my case, I had already AirPlayed before. So, if you have been AirPlaying first time on your Samsung Smart TV, you would see a code given on your TV. After that, you would have to enter the code on your Apple device and then you will successfully be able to AirPlay your iPhone on Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.